Okay, so we're going to factor a trinomial in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c, where a is equal to 1. So my example is going to be x squared minus 5x plus 6. Okay, I'm going to do this in steps. So step 1 is to find the values of a, b, and c. Okay, so if I'm looking at my expression that I'm given, a is going to be the number that's in front of x squared, and that number is 1. So a equals 1 is the coefficient of x squared, comma, b is going to be the number that's in front of the x value, and it's a negative 5. So you have to take the sign. It's minus 5, same thing as negative 5. So you take the value of negative 5. C is going to be constant term, which is 6. So C is going to be 6. All right, step 2. We're going to use the x factor. All right, in the big X, I'm going to put a times c into this part in the middle part of the X. And a times c gives me 6. I'm going to put my b value. Okay, this is a 6. All right, put my b value, which is negative 5, into this part of the X. And then I'm going to look for values of 6 that add up to negative 5, or the factors of 6 that add up to negative 5. So if I think about my factors of 6, I know that 1 times 6 would give me 6. I know that 2 times 3 would give me 6. I also know that negative 1 times negative 6 is going to give me a positive 6. And that negative 2 times negative 3 will give me a positive 6. So of these 4 factors, I need to know which 2 add up to negative 5. So I know this one adds to 7. This one adds to negative 7. This one at the bottom adds to 5. And then this one here adds to negative 5. So this one is my answer right here. So the factors of 6 that add up to negative 5 are negative 2 and negative 3. All right, so I'm done. I've done my factors. All right, step 3, we're going to rewrite the expression with those 2 middle terms. So we did find the factors of 6 that add up to negative 5 so that we can rewrite the expression using those values. So my expression is going to be x squared. I'm going to use minus 2x minus 3x plus 6. And you can see that minus 2x to minus 3x is really negative 5, or minus 5x. All right, so all I did was rewrite the expression. All right, so I rewrote the expression. Step 4, I'm going to draw a box and put those values in the box, which I get x squared minus 2x minus 3x and 6. Looking at the first row of the box, I have x squared and negative 2x. I want to take out that greatest common factor, which is going to be x. And then I'm just going to multiply a value by x to get x squared. So I know that x times x, let's say this x, is going to give me whatever's in the box, which is the x squared. Then I'm going to multiply x times this value, which would be negative 2, to get that value of negative 2x. So x times negative 2 is negative 2x. All right, now I need to get the value that's on the outside of this box. All right, so I know I have an x here because I have to multiply this value by this x here. So I know that x times negative 3, if this was negative 3 inside, it's going to give me this negative 3x. So negative 3 goes on the outside of the box, so negative 3. And then I check negative 3 multiplied by negative 2 to get a positive 6 in this box here. All right, so my answer is x minus 2. That's coming from the top of the box here, times x minus 3, which is coming from the side of the box. And if I multiply that back, I would get what I started with over here, which is x squared minus 5x plus 6.